If you're considering Gorgias for your business, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before making the jump. Whether you're familiar with customer support software or new to the game, this video is packed with valuable insights that will help you make an informed decision. Stick around until the end, because I'll share how you can try Gorgias for free and get exclusive benefits. Now, let's dive in. First, Gorgias is an all-in-one customer support platform designed specifically for e-commerce businesses. If you're running an online store, you've probably already used a variety of customer service tools, but Gorgias sets itself apart by integrating directly with platforms like Shopify, Magento, and BigCommerce. This tight integration allows you to manage customer support requests without leaving the platform, which can save you tons of time compared to using multiple tools. Next thing to know, Gorgias allows you to respond to customer inquiries from multiple channels, all within one platform. Whether it's live chat, email, social media, or even SMS, Gorgias pulls all these conversations into one unified inbox. This is a game changer for customer service teams, as it eliminates the hassle of switching between different tools. If you've been juggling multiple tabs to keep up with your support, Gorgias' unified inbox will feel like a huge relief. The third thing to understand about Gorgias is its automation capabilities. With features like ticket routing, macros, and triggers, Gorgias helps you automate repetitive tasks. For instance, you can automatically assign support tickets to the right team member or set up auto responses for common questions. In a busy e-commerce environment, these automations can drastically reduce the time spent on mundane tasks, allowing your team to focus on solving more complex issues. The fourth thing you need to know is Gorgias' reporting and analytics. The software offers powerful reporting tools that allow you to track team performance, response times, and customer satisfaction. Unlike some competitors, Gorgias has easy-to-understand dashboards that help you quickly analyze your support metrics. If you're a data-driven marketer or business owner, these insights are invaluable for optimizing your customer service efforts and ensuring your team is on track. The fifth thing to mention is the ease of use. Compared to other customer service platforms, Gorgias is often praised for its intuitive interface. You don't need to spend days learning how to use the software. Everything is designed to be simple, and the platform offers excellent customer support if you run into any issues. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, you'll appreciate how easy it is to navigate Gorgias. Now, the sixth thing to note is Gorgias' scalability. As your business grows, so can Gorgias. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Gorgias is built to scale with your needs. You can add more agents, channels, and features as you grow, which makes it a long-term solution that won't become obsolete as your business expands. And lastly, the pricing. Gorgias isn't the cheapest option on the market, but it offers great value for e-commerce businesses that need robust customer service tools. It's more affordable than some enterprise-level solutions, while providing a higher level of customization and integration for e-commerce stores. Depending on the features you need, you can find a pricing tier that fits your budget. So if you're interested in giving Gorgias a try, you can use the first link in the description below to get the best free trial for the software. Don't forget, with the exclusive benefits included, you'll be able to dive right into the platform and see if it's the right fit for your business. Thanks for watching.